Okay, hold on. This room has been a little bit lived in already. We really haven't been in here that much, but our luggage came faster than we thought. Our room got ready quicker than we thought. I'm not even sure what's in here. Oh, shelving. We are only staying here one night, so we're not going to unpack like that. I told you there's 4. It's crazy. If you put a special request like this in, they will put it on the TV. It's super cute. But we are staying in a deluxe Savanna View. Deluxe Studio Savanna View. We just got some food, so they're eating their fruit before I finish cutting up. But I wanted to film the room tour before things got a little too crazy. And there's giraffes outside.
How did they come?
This is where they live. These giraffes live here.
Why did we see them when we looked outside first?
Because they live like all over this, so they just came over here. But yeah, now there's 4, huh? 1,